Why replace a toilet seat or handle? A wobbly seat, a broken handle, or simply an outdated look can make a big difference in your bathroom's comfort and appearance. This guide will walk you through the straightforward process of replacing both, step by step. You'll find that these are simple home improvement tasks anyone can tackle. Before you begin, gather your supplies. For a toilet seat replacement, you'll need a new toilet seat, a flathead or Phillips screwdriver, and possibly an adjustable wrench or pliers. A cleaning solution and a rag are also essential. For a toilet handle replacement, you'll need a new toilet handle assembly. Sometimes a pair of pliers can be helpful for removing a stubborn old nut. Ensure your new handle matches the style and type of your toilet tank. This is often the easier of the two tasks. Start by lifting the toilet seat and looking at the hinges at the back. Many modern seats have plastic caps covering the bolts. Carefully pry open these caps. Beneath them, you'll find the bolts that secure the seat to the toilet bowl. These bolts can be plastic or metal. Use your screwdriver to loosen the bolts. If the nuts underneath are spinning, you may need to hold them with an adjustable wrench or pliers. Once loosened, remove the bolts and nuts completely. Lift the old toilet seat straight off the bowl. Now is an excellent time to thoroughly clean the area where the old seat was attached. Use your cleaning solution and rag to remove any grime or residue. Take your new toilet seat and align its bolt holes with the holes on the toilet bowl. Insert the new bolts through the seat and the bowl. From underneath, thread the nuts onto the bolts. Hand tighten the nuts first to ensure proper alignment. Then, use your screwdriver to fully tighten the bolts. Be careful not to over-tighten, especially with plastic components, as this can cause cracking. Finally, snap the hinge caps back into place if your new seat has them. Give the new seat a gentle wiggle to ensure it's secure and doesn't shift. Your toilet seat replacement is complete. This task requires working inside the toilet tank. Begin by lifting the toilet tank lid. Locate the fill valve and the flapper chain connected to the handle. Before proceeding, turn off the water supply to the toilet. The shutoff valve is usually located on the wall behind or near the base of the toilet. Flush the toilet to empty most of the water from the tank. Inside the tank, you'll see the handle shaft extending through a hole in the tank wall. A large nut secures the handle from the inside. Unscrew this nut counterclockwise. Once the nut is removed, disconnect the flapper chain from the handle lever. You can then pull the old handle assembly out from the front of the tank. Take your new toilet handle assembly. Insert the new handle shaft through the hole in the tank from the outside. From the inside of the tank, thread the new nut onto the handle shaft. Tighten the nut by hand, then use pliers if necessary to snug it up. Again, avoid over-tightening. Ensure the handle is oriented correctly and moves freely. Now, reattach the flapper chain to the new handle's lever. Adjust the chain's length so there's a slight amount of slack when the flapper is closed. Too much tension will prevent the flapper from sealing. Turn the water supply back onto the toilet. Allow the tank to refill completely. Test the new handle by flushing the toilet several times. Ensure the flapper lifts and closes properly, and the tank refills without issue. If you encounter stubborn bolts or nuts, a penetrating lubricant can help loosen them. For toilet seats, consider quick-release hinges for easier cleaning in the future. When buying a new handle, check if it's a front mount, side mount, or angle mount to ensure compatibility. These simple repairs can significantly improve your bathroom's functionality and appearance. With a few basic tools and these steps, you've successfully tackled common toilet maintenance.